Welcome to Genius Connect. Please subscribe and share.
Hello friends, I am Bhumi Trivedi, the Physics faculty of Ajay International School. Today we will learn about the light reflection and refraction. As we can able to see this beautiful world due to what? Due to the exactly light. Okay, what is exactly happening with the light that we can able to see the world? So today we will learn about what is the light, what is the reflection, what is the refraction, and these are the phenomena of light. So first we have to understand what is the light. Light is we can say it as a visible light, which is a portion of an electromagnetic spectrum, okay, in which the human eye can persist. So visible light is having a wavelength of a 400 to 700 nanometers. So when we will understand that light consists of an electric field and magnetic field, so how light travels? Normally we understand that it seems in a straight path. Light travels in a straight path. But when we will understand exactly that light for a certain phenomena, okay, it will bend. And when it will bend, when certain obstacle will come in between, so that phenomena is a diffraction. So, and that way the light seems not to be in a straight path. Normally when we will consider reflection, refraction, which we will discuss today, in that light is traveling in a straight path. So when we will consider in a propagation of a light, then light is a transverse wave. So we got a new word which is a transverse. What is the meaning of it? The oscillations of a light means the electric field vector and magnetic field vector both are perpendicular to each other, and even they are perpendicular to the direction of a propagation of a light. That is exactly known as a transverse wave. So the light which follows the certain phenomena and due to which we can able to see the world, so that to solve that mystery that how we can able to see the world, we can first understand the reflection. Okay, what is the meaning of a word reflection? It's a simply bouncing back of a light in the same medium. So bounce back means what? The light, when light strikes on any of the surface, then it will bounce back in a same medium, then it's known as the reflection. So when the light strikes in a two separating medium surface, means what we can understand that when the light strikes, that ray is considered as an incident ray, and when it will reflect back, that is understood as a reflected ray. So when light strikes on a medium, when light strikes on the surface of a two separating medium, it is having a three possibility. So first possibility is what? That it will reflect. Second possibility, the portion of that light ray will refract, which we will discuss. And third possibility is absorption. So first possibility, which is a reflection, and the mirror shows always the reflection phenomena. So when we will understand the plane mirror, okay, the plane mirror means what? In the morning when we will see ourselves in the mirror, that is a plane mirror only. So which type of image we can able to see? That image is virtual, erect, and of a same size. So we got again two new terminology, which is a virtual and erect. Virtual means what? The image which will not able to captured on the screen, that is known as a virtual, and real means what? The image which we can able to capture on the screen, that is the real image. Second word which we got, which is a erect. Erect means straight. The way object is there, in the same way the image we will get, that is a erect. So when we will understand the phenomena of a plane mirror, exactly we can understand in terms of a lateral inversion. What is the meaning of a word lateral inversion? The particular term inversion and lateral. When we will keep the object in front of a plane mirror, if object is on the left side, we can able to see it on the right side, and if it is on the right, then we can able to see on the left. Other mirrors, in terms of a spherical mirror, there is a two types of a mirror which is made up from the sphere, which is a concave mirror and convex mirror. So concave means what? Whose reflecting surface is called inward, and convex means what? Whose refracting surface is called outward, that is a convex mirror. When we will go with the application of the spherical mirrors, which we are using in a daily life, in a torch there is a concave mirror, even the dentist to enlarge the teeth, the mirror which used, that is a concave, Convex mirror, when we will consider, it is used as a rear view mirror in the vehicle to identify which particular vehicle is behind to us. So this was the discussion in terms of a reflection. And the two major thing when we will consider the reflection, we have to understand the laws which follows by the reflection, that angle of incidence. Angle of incidence means what? The angle between the normal and incident ray. That is the angle of incidence, and angle between the normal and reflected ray. It's the angle of reflection. Normal means what? The line which is perpendicular to the surface, that is known as a normal. So angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are same. That is the most important law for the reflection. And second, incident ray, normal and reflected ray must three lie in a same plane. So when plane mirror we will consider, or we will consider a spherical mirror, both follows this laws of reflection. Next phenomena which we need to understand, which is refraction. Refraction means what? When we will consider the refraction, refraction is a bending of a light. When incident ray strikes on a two separating surface of a medium, such for example, we can consider a medium as a air and another medium as a water. So when light strikes on the surface of a separating this two medium, light will bend. But there is a phenomena, major important thing, which is the optical density. When we will consider the optical density, when there is a rarer medium and a denser medium in terms of optically denser or optically rarer. So air or else vacuum when we will consider, which is the optically rarest medium, and as compared to it, all the mediums are optically denser. So when light travels from air to any of the medium or a vacuum to any of the medium, that particular light ray will bend towards the normal. What that indicates exactly? That indicates that light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, then it will bend towards the normal, and when light travels from denser to rarer medium, then it will go away from the normal. So by that we got two important laws of refraction. First law is the same as the reflection, which is the incident ray, normal and refracted ray, all three will lie in the same plane. Second, the trigonometric function sine we have to introduce here, that sine of an incident angle upon sine of a refracted angle always be as a constant, and that constant for the particular pair of a medium, that is known as a refractive index. And as the light will bend when light travels from one medium to another medium, the speed of light will change. So if we will relate the refractive index, so refractive index of suppose for the medium 2 with respect to medium 1, that indicates the relative speed of a light, relative refractive index as a comparison of a two medium. So for that, speed of a light in a medium 1 upon speed of a light in a medium 2. And if we will go with the absolute refractive index, that is the comparison of a refractive index with respect to what exactly? With respect to the vacuum. So when we will understand the refractive indexes which are given, that are exactly for the absolute refractive index with respect to the vacuum. The phenomena of a refraction shows by the lens, concave lens, convex lens, okay, and this particular phenomena and this particular lenses were used for the normal application in a daily life, when we will consider, that is to making the specs when the person will not able to see the far distance or a nearer distance. Based on that, the lenses are provided in terms of a concave, convex, the best based on that which would be required. Thank you.
I hope you all would have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Genius Connect and put on the notification to receive more such videos. Like and share this video too. Thanks for watching.